So, what is a cryptocurrency mining farm? Well, quite simply, one of the devices you see behind me would be called a mining rig or a single mining device. A mining farm or a cryptocurrency mining farm is effectively just a large number. So similarly, as you'd expect a farmer in a field and a tractor and kind of doing things at bigger scale, again, cryptocurrency mining has kind of come up with these silly little words, and effectively we call a large amount of mining machines a cryptocurrency mining farm. So there isn't really a precise definition as to where one machine or a few machines stop and a mining farm begins, but it's generally accepted that anything more than 10 devices you'd probably then call it a mining farm. So that can be 10 devices or 100,000 devices is not really a top end, but ultimately a mining farm is just lots of machines plugged together, and they can be mining lots of different coins or all the same coin. It's kind of irrelevant what the machines are doing. It's more a case of this is the word that denotes lots of equipment in the same place. So around the world, there are lots of different mining farms, mining different types of coins, owned by different businesses, different investors, different individuals, from people that have got a garage full of equipment, people that have got commercial warehouses, to people that are running an entire power station based off cryptocurrency. Irrespective of the scale, that's kind of what we help people here with at Easy Crypto Hunter, getting people on the feet with all this different type of infrastructure and equipment all over the world. Cryptocurrency mining farms are our speciality here at Easy Crypto Hunter. Whether it be in the UK or around the world, we manufacture, advise, and give all the best advice for these types of facilities and service, helping people make sure they get the most powerful equipment and, critically, the most important strategy to be able to get the maximum ROI from their facility and not just chase the coin that everyone's talking about, which often is not the best approach. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto. I hope this has helped answer some of your crypto questions. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about the sector, maybe you've got some other questions that are burning on your mind, have a look around the channel, leave us a like, give us a subscribe, and we can't wait to see you in the next video soon.